Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Binance in Qatar step by step. Begin by creating your Binance account with email and Qatar phone number, then enable 2FA using an authenticator app to secure logins. After that, complete identity verification so you can deposit, trade, and withdraw without surprises. I will guide you through funding options, basic buys, and common settings to keep your account safe and compliant while using the platform. To fund your Binance account in Qatar, choose a bank transfer or card option shown in the app and follow the on-screen instructions. If you prefer lower volatility, convert to a stablecoin such as USD when funds arrive, which helps avoid currency swings. Always review deposit limits and fees shown before sending money so you know timing and costs. I will walk you through a sample deposit flow and fee checks step by step. When trading on Binance in Qatar, begin with Binance Convert for quick, simple buys with transparent rates. If you need more control, switch to the spot market and use limit or stop limit orders to manage price entries and exits. Practice with small test trades to understand fees and execution differences, then scale positions as you gain confidence. I will explain order types and risk tips so you can trade safely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.